English conversation. Plants and animals. First conversation.
What do plants need for growth?
They need air, water, and sunlight to grow.
Can you name some fruit trees?
Yes, they are apples, cherries, and bananas.
What is latex?
The white sticky liquid which we get from rubber trees.
Where do people plant rubber trees?
The rubber trees were planted in Kampong Cham.
Do you know any kinds of animals?
Yes, they are whales, cows, elephants.
Do you know how big the blue whale is?
It is as big as 5 big elephants.
Can you name some insects?
They are locust, mosquito, cockroach.
Which is the most harmful insect?
Locusts cause great harm as they destroy crops.
Which insect spreads malaria?
The female mosquito spreads malaria.
Second conversation.
What is necessary for plant growth?
For growth, they require sunshine, water, and air.
What are a few fruit trees' names?
Indeed, those are bananas, cherries, and apples.
What is a latex product?
The white, viscous liquid that rubber plants produce.
Where are rubber trees planted?
In Kampong Cham, the rubber trees were planted.
Know any different types of animals?
Indeed, those are elephants, cows, and whales.
How huge is the blue whale? Do you know?
It is 5 large elephant size.
Name a few insects for me.
They are cockroaches, mosquitoes, and locusts.
Which bug is the most dangerous?
Because they ruin crops, locusts wreak enormous damage.
Which insect carries the malaria virus?
The malaria-carrying female mosquito.
Thank you for watching.